Hello children, welcome to my English class. Okay my dear children, in our last class we discussed the paragraph number 6. Today we are going to discuss the paragraph number 7 of the prose at the high school. Dear students, listen mindfully while I am going to read the last paragraph of the prose at the high school. This kindness put me to shame. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Today I cannot but thank with gratitude of Krishna Shankar Pandya. For if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit that I learnt then, I should have found it difficult to take any interest in our sacred books. In fact, I deeply regret that I was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of the language. Dear children, let's know the meanings of unfamiliar words. First, shame. Feel shy. Then, disregard. Irrespect. Gratitude. Grateful. Then, acquired. Obtained. Or got. Okay, sacred, holy. Okay children, in our last class we discussed how the Sanskrit teacher of Gandhiji persuaded him to sit in the Sanskrit class. Now I am going to discuss the paragraph line by line. This kindness put me to shame. Here, the Sanskrit teacher's kindness put Gandhiji to shame. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Means, Gandhiji could not irrespect his teacher's love and affection. Today, I cannot but thank with gratitude of Krishna Shankar Pandya. Here, the name of the Sanskrit teacher was Krishna Shankar Pandya. That day, Gandhiji could not but thanked with gratitude of him. For if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit that I learnt then, I should have found it difficult to take any interest in our sacred books. That means, because Gandhiji had not obtained the little Sanskrit, then he should have found it difficult to take any interest in our sacred books like Gita, Bhagavad, Upanishad, etc. In fact, I deeply regret that I was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of the language. Here, really, Gandhiji deeply felt sad that he was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of Sanskrit. Okay children, let us answer some questions. See, answer in a word or a phrase. The first question, what put Gandhiji to shame? Answer, the kindness of his Sanskrit teacher. Okay, who was Krishna Shankar Pandya? Yes, the Sanskrit teacher of Gandhiji. Okay, next, what could not Gandhiji disregard? His teacher's affection. Okay, next, what did Gandhiji feel for not acquiring a more thorough knowledge of language? Yes, felt regret. My dear children, let us summarize the whole lesson paragraph wise. Paragraph number 1, Gandhiji's studies, winning prizes after passing out of 2nd standard and got scholarships in 5th and 6th standard respectively. Second paragraph, his recollection of merit and punishment about his headmaster Mr. Jimmy cause of aloofness from gymnastics and cricket. Paragraph number 3, cause of dislike not attending the physical exercise classes and punishment for going late to gymnastic class. Paragraph number 4, conviction of lying, proving his innocence and finally getting the fine remitted. Next, paragraph number 5, notion on handwriting. His earlier notion on handwriting was that the good handwriting was not a necessary part of education, but he changed his view and said that the bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of imperfect education and art of drawing before learning to write. Paragraph number 6, about Sanskrit. Sanskrit was a harder task for Gandhiji. His Sanskrit and Persian teacher. There was a rivalry between the Sanskrit teacher and the Persian teacher. The Sanskrit teacher was very strict and the Persian teacher was lenient. Paragraph number 7, gratitude to Krishna Shankar Pandya, who was the Sanskrit teacher of Gandhiji, felt unhappy for not having thorough knowledge in Sanskrit language. Okay children, this is all about the prose at the high school. Thank you children. Bye bye.